One simple but brilliant trick to get incredible abs in 30 days.
$69 Special Forces device turns men into beasts. It emulates 54,000 crunches in 20 minutes and builds an incredible six-pack up to 10 times faster than regular exercise. It was created by Captain James Snipes, a 31-year-old Special Forces officer and a bioengineer. After being wounded in his last mission and spending 3 months in a hospital, he felt weak and realized he wouldn't have enough time to get back in shape for the critical next mission. That's when he remembered what he learned in the army about using electronic muscle stimulation, and had a desperate idea. Using the EIMD phenomenon that powers all the muscle tissue growth in a human's body, he built a revolutionary device that uses military technology and an innovative type of stimulation to ignite rapid fat loss and explosive muscle gain. Having only 3 weeks left for the mission, he started using the device for 20 minutes per day to improve his core, arms and legs muscles, and the results were incredible. Just after a few days he began feeling stronger and started losing fat he gained when recovering in the hospital, and after only 2 weeks of using the device, he was back in peak physical condition, and his muscles were visible like never before. That's when James realized how powerful his invention was, and decided to start producing it for the general public to bring this life-changing technology to anyone in need. He called it Tactical X Abs Stimulator, and it's the most powerful tool for bodybuilding ever made, that allows anyone to burn fat and get a six-pack abs within just a few weeks. It works by sending gentle electric pulses to exercise the affected muscle and promote rapid muscle growth while burning belly fat at the same time. When your muscles receive the signal, they contract and flex, replicating natural muscle contractions and emulating over 50,000 crunches in just a single 15-minute session. The electric pulses not only target and stimulate the deepest core muscles, but also you can use it for your arms and legs, emulating a full body workout. Whether you want to lose weight and get rid of that beer belly, or build six-pack abs that will draw everyone's attention on the beach, the possibilities with the Tactical X Abs Stimulator are endless. James wants everyone to know about this new technology, so he's offering a 60% discount for anyone who orders it within the next 24 hours. So go ahead and grab one for yourself and more for your friends and family before this amazing deal is taken down. Click on the link on this video to visit the official website and order with 60% off and free express worldwide shipping.